How to find a Subway restaurant's hours and directions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to find the opening and closing hours of the Subway and the directions, I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to subway.com. Then in the home page, tap on Find a Subway. Now make sure you have your location turned on, and then it will give you the subway near you. So you can just tap on the subway where you want to find the hours and directions. So tap on restaurant details, and then here you can see the hours and then the get directions option. You can just tap on it and then you can get the directions in Google Maps. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.